Today, we will create a beginner makeup starter kit with NYX. NYX Makeup is famous for its affordability, variety, and trendy new products. I will compare the products with skin types, their finish, formulas, and also price. So you will easily choose your own beginner makeup kit. Hello, I am Cutie Lucy. First, lipstick. If you want a natural matte look for everyday wear and casual, choose soft matte lip cream. If you prefer highly pigmented but lightweight creamy lipstick, this one's for you. If you are looking for hydrating sheer natural glossy lips, try Fat White Slick Glick. It's ideal for dry lips. It is a great choice for no makeup days, beach days, and casual days. If you prefer a bold, long-lasting matte look, Gold on Lip Lingerie XXL Matte Liquid Lipstick is a good option for formal events, parties, fall and winters. Blush. For a soft matte, glowy finish, choose Better Matte Blush. It's a great option for everyday wear and casual outings, spring and summers. If you prefer a beautiful soft tint natural finish, go with Quick Peak Soft Peak Tint Cream Blush. For a multitasking product that combines blush and contour, the Wonder Stick Blush is the best option. It's ideal for fall and winter and travel. If you are interested in beginner makeup kits, I make many brand kits for you. You can check out here. Now we are moving to concealer. If you want a natural dewy finish, choose Bear With Me Concealer Serum. You can use it daily and no makeup days. If you need full coverage and matte finish or a long-lasting formula, go on Can't Stop, Won't Stop Contour Concealer. If you want to face discoloration, face redness, or face dust cycle, try Pro Face Stick Correcting Concealer. It is a good option for everyday use to correct, conceal, and brighten your skin content. Let's talk about setting powder. If you need a flawless pressed powder or have oily or combination skin, choose Can't Stop, Won't Stop Mattifying Pressed Powder. If you need a lightweight natural radiant finish, go on Mineral Finishing Powder. If you are looking for a powder to set makeup flawlessly, try Studio Finishing Powder. Okay, mascara. If you need waterproof mascara for long days, choose Hold the Hype Waterproof Mascara. If you want bold lash look, check out On the Rise Volume Liftscara. And last, lip gloss. If you prefer a long-lasting hydrating product with a natural stain effect, go for Lip Ivy Hydrating Lip Gloss Stain. If you want a fuller lip effect and you can handle the stinging sensation, try DAC Plump High Pigment Plumping Lip Gloss. If you have dry lips and prioritise lip nourishment and a glass-like shine, use Fat White Lip Drip. If you want a natural, smooth gloss for everyday wear, Better Gloss Non-Sticky Lip Gloss is the best option. After you choose lipstick, blush, concealer, powder, mascara, and lip gloss. Now we have an essential version of the NYX Essential Beginner Makeup Starter Kit. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my Cutie Lucy channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.